Have you been searching for main level living, maintenance free in the heart of Raleigh? I'm Devin Curlings with the Coley Group of Compass, and welcome to Ivy Hall. Located off of Highway 401 near the heart of Raleigh, nestled in a serene suburban setting, you'll enjoy a carefree lifestyle in patio-style homes. The unique layout throughout the community ensures that all properties are end units, offering the utmost convenience. The vaulted living space feels open and airy, adjacent to your eating kitchen and oversized kitchen with a massive island and great cabinetry. Down the hall, you'll find two generous-sized bedrooms with spacious closets, a full bath, and at the end of the hall, you'll discover your primary suite. The ensuite features dual sinks, a walk-in shower, and an oversized walk-in closet. Ivy Hall offers community amenities that include a clubhouse, outdoor pool, and a number of interest groups to join to be able to connect with your neighbors. You're minutes from Triangle Town Center, downtown Raleigh, Lenovo Center, and Brier Creek. For more information on this home before it's too late, give the Coley Group a call today.